A hearty morning to Reverend Directress Ma'am, Principal Ma'am, and my dear students. Today is the most memorable day, that is World Students' Day. Every year, this day is celebrated on October 15 on former President APJ Abdul Kalam's birthday. The day is commemorated on his birth anniversary because Dr. Kalam was a dedicated teacher. He emphasized that the teachers are the nation builders, the builders of the society, and the society can be built only when the students are made to participate in their respective subjects. The teacher should inculcate the fundamental and moral values in them so that they should achieve the right aim and right goal in the future years to come. Dr. Kalam's love for the students find best voice when he said, "Dream, dream, dream." Dream transforms into thoughts and thoughts results into action. So dear students, really it is a remarkable day for all of you. The theme of this day is learning for people, planet, prosperity, and peace. So, my dear students, this is a message for you. Those who are always open, new things are always progressive in their lives. So, never ever give up. Dream high and touch the sky. Try with all your might and main until you achieve your aim. So I hope that you will follow the message of Dr. Kalam and always keep in your mind the success is your mission. You must have single-minded devotion to your aim. So with this, once again, I would like to wish you Happy Students' Day. Thank you, children.
Dear students, we know that life is not easy for you guys, but just wanted to let you know that nothing is impossible if we try hard enough. Thank you.
Hello students, Happy International Children's Day to all of you. You all are very special and precious for all of us, and definitely children, you all are our hope for future, and we are hoping for your brighter tomorrow. Wishing you all a very happy International Children's Day. Once again, enjoy it. Thank you very much.
Hello students, your library is vacant in your absence and it is waiting eagerly for you all. Come back to student very soon and join your library. Thank you very much. Enjoy your day.
Happy Students' Day to all my beloved students. I'm going to deliver a short message on this occasion. Education is not preparation for life. Education is life itself. Our philosophy of education has always been meeting the needs of the individual child. Children acquire skills and knowledge easily if we can make the surroundings stimulating and purposeful. In the 21st century, the digital revolution affects us all. Quite simply, it is changing everything. A brilliant barrage of information, entertainment, companionship, and education is speedily available. We at Mentora Public School try to understand and work with each child, and we firmly believe that it is our responsibility to enable the child in a care to develop as a whole. I expect all my mentorians to focus on their cherished goal. Happy learning. God bless. Thank you.
रुक जाना नहीं तू कहीं हार के, कांटों पे चल के मिलेंगे साए बहार के। रुक जाना नहीं तू कहीं हार के, कांटों पे चल के मिलेंगे साए बहार के। ओ राही 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 ओ राही। सूरज देख गया है तेरे आगे झुक गया है, सूरज देख गया है तेरे आगे झुक गया है। जब कभी ऐसे कोई मस्ताना निकले अपनी धुन में दीवाना, शाम सुहानी बन जाते हैं दिन इंतजार के। ओ राही ओ राही ओ राही ओ राही।
Happy words Students' Day to all my dear students. Today is the birthday of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Once he said, "Life and time are the world's best teacher." Life teaches us to make good use of time, and time teaches us the value of life. I would like to share a poem on the value of time which my teacher told me. To realize the value of a sister, brother, ask someone who doesn't have one. To realize the value of 10 years, ask a newly divorced couple. To realize the value of 4 years, ask a graduate. To realize the value of 1 year, ask a student who has failed a final exam. To realize the value of 9 months, ask a mother who gave birth a stillborn. To realize the value of 1 month, ask a mother who has given birth to a premature baby. To realize the value of 1 minute, ask a person who has missed the train, bus or plane. To realize the value of 1 second, ask a person who has survived an accident. Time waits for no one. Treasure every moment you have. You will treasure it even more when you can share it with someone special. To realize the value of a friend or family members, lose one. Once again, I would like to say you happy words Students' Day.
प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, आज विश्व छात्र दिवस है। आप सभी को इस दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। इस उपलक्ष्य पर मैं एक प्रेरक कविता प्रस्तुत कर रहा हूँ। कुछ करना है तो डट कर चल, थोड़ा दुनिया से हट कर चल, लीक पर तो सभी चल लेते हैं, कभी इतिहास को पलट कर चल। बिना काम के मुकाम कैसा, बिना मेहनत के राग कैसा, जब तक न हासिल हो मंजिल, जब तक न हासिल हो मंजिल, तो राह में आराम कैसा। अर्जुन सा निशाना रख प्रण में, अर्जुन सा निशाना रख प्रण में, मन में न कोई बहाना रख, लक्ष्य सामने है बस उसी पे अपना ठिकाना रख। सोच मत साकार कर, अपने कर्मों से प्यार कर, मिलेगा तेरी मेहनत का फल, किसी और ना इंतजार कर। कुछ करना है तो डट कर चल, थोड़ा दुनिया से हट कर चल, लीक पर तो सभी चल लेते हैं, कभी इतिहास को पलट कर चल, कभी इतिहास को पलट कर चल। धन्यवाद।
World Students Day. The theme of World Students Day 2020 is Learning for People, Planet, Prosperity and Peace. This theme intends to highlight the centrality of development, ambitions for our collectivity with humanitarian objectives. The day is celebrated to pay honor to the students from all across the globe for their hard work, dedication and determination.
World Student Day is celebrated every year across the globe today, that is 15th October. It marks the birthday anniversary of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. The day was first celebrated in 2010 to honor the students for their hard work and determination. The theme of the World Students Day 2020 is Learning for People, Planet, Prosperity and Peace. Everyone is a student of life as we all keep learning something or the other throughout our lives. Students are the building blocks of the future of the world, and on them depends how the structure of world will be. Happy World Students Day.
Good morning, students. I am Mahesh Sharma, your physical education teacher. First of all, wishing you all a very happy World Students Day. It is a auspicious day for us because today is the birthday of our former President APJ Abdul Kalam. He is renowned personality of nation. So, student, you all are the assets for us, for teachers. Being a physical education teacher, I share some points to you all. You all know that the health is wealth, or a healthy mind lives in a healthy body. So physical activities are very essential for a student's life. It not only develops physical aspect of life as well as develops all aspect of life like mental, social and psychological. So that's why it is very important to include at least 1 hour of physical activities in your daily life. It helps to improve your concentration, reduces stress, improves self-confidence and make your healthy body. It is also helpful in your academics because these qualities are very important for a student's life, like concentration, self-confidence. So regular exercise is also important for you all. So do regular exercises and keep you healthy and wealthy. Thank you.
Morning student, welcome to physics lab. I am Mahesh Jaiswal, your physics teacher. After a long time, it's a good news for us finally, because government has decided to reopen the school with some guideline as per your safety. Okay, because it's a critical time for us. So all of you, welcome to the school.
Dear student, myself Kaushal Mishra. First of all, I want to wish you happy the World Student Day. First of all, I want to tell you why we celebrate the World Student Day. The United Nations declared 15 October as World Student Day in 2010 to honor Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. And you know very well, he is popularly known as Missile Man of India. He was not only a politician, but also he was a teacher. मुझे डॉक्टर APJ अब्दुल कलाम जी की एक कोटेशन बहुत अच्छी लगी कि सपने वो नहीं होते हैं जो हमें सोने के बाद आते हैं, सपने वो होते हैं जो हमें सोने नहीं देते. ड्रीम्स आर नॉट दोज विच कम्स while we are sleeping, but dreams are those when you don't sleep before fulfilling them. So dear students, one thing keep in your mind, you are the creator of your own future. You can do whatever you want. You have infinite power, so utilize it. Everything depends upon your thinking. Whatever you want, you can do. So think that you are a great, and definitely you will become great. And every idea that strengthens you must be taken in, and every thought that weakens you must be rejected. Thank you.
आ चल के तुझे मैं लेके चलूं एक ऐसे गगन के तले, जहाँ गम भी ना हो आंसू भी ना हो, बस प्यार ही प्यार पले। आ चल के तुझे मैं लेके चलूं एक ऐसे गगन के तले, जहाँ गम भी ना हो आंसू भी न हो, बस प्यार ही प्यार पले। एक ऐसे गगन के तले। सूरज की पहली किरण से आशा का सवेरा जागे, सूरज की पहली किरण से आशा का सवेरा जागे, चंदा की किरण से धुल कर घन घोर अंधेरा भागे, चंदा की किरण से धुल कर घन घोर अंधेरा भागे। कभी धूप खिले कभी छाँव खिले, लंबी सी डगर न खले, जहाँ गम भी न हो आंसू भी न हो, बस प्यार ही प्यार पले। एक ऐसे गगन के तले। जहाँ दूर नजर दौड़ाए, आजाद गगन लहराए, जहाँ दूर नजर दौड़ाए, आजाद गगन लहराए, जहाँ रंग बिरंगे पंछी आशा का संदेशा लाए, जहाँ रंग बिरंगे पंछी आशा का संदेशा लाए। सपनों में पली हंसती हो कली, जहाँ शाम सुहानी ढले, जहाँ गम भी न हो आंसू भी न हो, बस प्यार ही प्यार पले। एक ऐसे गगन के तले। आ चल के तुझे मैं लेके चलूं एक ऐसे गगन के तले, जहाँ गम भी न हो आंसू भी न हो, बस प्यार ही प्यार पले। एक ऐसे गगन के तले, एक ऐसे गगन के तले।
Good morning, Honorable Directress Ma'am, Manager Sir, Principal Ma'am and all members attending. I, Annapurna Devedi, here sharing my views on such auspicious occasion. Today, the world celebrates Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's birth anniversary as Students' Day. In honor of the man who always wished to be remembered as a teacher and who has made himself. United Nations recognized Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's 79th birthday as the World Students' Day in the year 2010. Dr. Kalam, the humble man who believed youth to be one of modern India's greatest strength, has won the heart of millions of children as well as grown-ups alike. He had encouraged and inspired anyone who interacted with him to dream big and work hard. That is the same reason why the India's missile man and former president was seen as a role model by many people across the country. APJ Abdul Kalam said, No other democratic nations has 600 million youth. The ignited mind of the youth is the most powerful resource on the earth, above the earth, under the earth, and we have that. Thank you.
Hello everyone, today is World Students Day. Student life is a special phase of life, and you all should live life to the fullest during this time. I still remember when I was a child, we received an opportunity in our school to enact like our teachers, and it used to be fun performing those acts with gratification. Childhood is both an enjoyable phase of life and at the same time it is also considered to be sensitive phase. So in contemporary scenario, we and you all need to be careful at every moment in life. You should always remember that we are here today because you all have motivated us to guide you all. Teachers become educators not only because of knowledge, but you students play a very important role in our lives. You make us understand who we are and what we mean to you. You have new and innovative ideas to make our nation proud. We cannot ignore your involvement and contribution in the life of parents, teachers, and other people related to you in your life. Children are liked by everyone, and without children, without students, life becomes very boring and dull. You all are blessed by God and conquer our hearts with your beautiful eyes, innocent activities, and smiles during COVID-19. Really, we all are missing you all. Students' Day is celebrated to pay tribute to all the students all over the world. Therefore, to make this occasion happier, we are celebrating it online. May all your wishes be fulfilled. Thank you.